This is the pressure vessel wall thickness calculator, which determines the minimum wall thickness required for cylindrical pressure vessels under internal pressure. Let's walk through the input fields. First, we have internal pressure P, where you enter pressure in your preferred units. Next is internal diameter D, where you enter the vessel's internal diameter. Then we have allowable stress, S, which is the maximum stress permitted for your material. Finally, there's joint efficiency, E, which represents the weld joint quality as a decimal between 0 and 1. Let me demonstrate with a typical example. I'll enter 250 psi for internal pressure P, 48 inches for internal diameter D, 20,000 psi for allowable stress S, and 0.85 for joint efficiency E. After clicking Calculate Wall Thickness, the calculator provides the required minimum wall thickness based on ASME code requirements. This output tells you the thinnest wall that safely contains your specified pressure. The calculation considers both the hoop stress from internal pressure and the efficiency of your welded joints. To ensure a safe design with appropriate safety factors, this tool helps engineers quickly verify pressure vessel designs meet code requirements. Find the link in the description below.